Good morning. It's time to get ready with me. Today I am planning on doing a tryout for my Christmas makeup. I have no idea what I want to wear yet. This is the first look I'm testing out, and I'm thinking of doing like a full glam look. So today I'm going to start with the eyes, and I really want to use my Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. And I can't believe it is almost Christmas. It's right around the corner, and I still haven't even started wrapping presents. Like, I'm waiting for a few more packages to come, so I'm hoping they're here before Christmas. And I have just been trying to get myself in the Christmas spirit, watching tons of movies and TV shows. I've been binge watching Gilmore Girls because I don't know what else to watch. But let me know what your favorite Christmas movie is. I have two. I really love The Polar Express. And then my second favorite is The Grinch, but I like the live action one with Jim Carrey. And this shade right here is my favorite in the palette, and I'm gonna show you why. It's just the most beautiful, like, wet look you'll find. It is so pretty. And I don't have a black liquid liner or mascara. I literally just ran out. So we're gonna make this work with some brown. It's not even that no one's gonna notice. And then today I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. I love this stuff. It is like medium to full coverage, but it just looks so good on the skin. I really enjoy this one. And I know I'm super excited for Christmas, but who's excited for New Year's? I've never really been the type to like stay up really late or go partying or anything. I've done it like twice in my life, and it's just not for me. And I have been loving this blush by LYS in Focus. It is just such a cute shade. And this is my favorite pink powder. I already had the Huda Beauty in Cherry Blossom, but I think I've said this before, like, I have really dry skin and that one is dry. And none of these like pink powders that I've tried at least are actually pink. Like, they add a little bit of brightness, but I was really going into it thinking that they were going to be like super pink and brightening. And lastly, the iconic Ruby Woo. This is like my only true red lipstick that I have, and I actually really like it. Here it is the final look.